everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. It is Monday, which means it is time for another medical assisting Monday. And for today's video, I'm just going to be doing a Q&A. I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me any medical assisting related questions you had, and quite a few of you sent in questions. So today I will be answering them. And if you guys would like a chance to be featured in the next Q&A video, be sure to go follow me on Instagram. It is just at Allie's__life. It is always linked in the description box too. And without further ado, let's get started. The first question is, do any of your classmates or teachers know about your YouTube channel? And if so, how do they feel about it? The majority of my class do in fact know about my YouTube channel, and there are a few of them who watch my channel religiously. You all know who you are, and thank you. As well as, I believe one of my professors does. I don't know about the other, but I know one does, and she watches my videos as well. And everyone is just super supportive of it. I haven't had any negativity around it at school or anything like that. The next question is, do you have a grade threshold, such as needing an A, B, C, D, etc. in all your classes in order to pass? For the program I am in, you have to have a C in the classes in order to be considering passing and to move on to another class. And I honestly think the grade thresholds vary based on programs, because I know that when I was in the respiratory therapy program, the grading threshold was a C+. And by needing a C, I'm not talking on every single assignment you need to have a C or you don't pass. I'm talking about final grades. When the semester ends, you have to have a C in order to move on to the next semester. The next question is, how much does it cost to go to school for medical assisting? I am definitely not the right person to ask about that. I would go into your school and talk with the billing office or the financial aid office and ask them. I have been in school for 6 years, and throughout those 6 years, I have taken out student loans, I have received Pell Grants, and I've also received scholarships, and I'm also on my second degree. So if I were to break it down, it would take forever. On top of the fact that every school has different prices for classes, and it's all based on credit hour. So what it costs for me to go to school for medical assisting is probably completely different from how much it would cost for you. So like I said, I recommend going and talking to either your financial aid office or your billing office and see if they can give you a rough estimate of how much it will cost for you to get a medical assisting degree. The next question is, how long does medical assisting school take? Again, like the price, how long it takes you to complete medical assisting school is also going to vary. So for me in total, it will have taken 4 semesters for me to complete, which is about a year and a half. And the way that works out for me is because all my prereqs from my health science degree transferred over, which is nice. And so from starting the intro to medical assisting class to the very end, which is my externship, it will have taken 4 semesters. I am walking for graduation this spring because we are in fact allowed to do that, because all we have left to do is our externship. So I started the actual physical medical assisting program in the spring of 2018. I continued and did clinical 1 in the fall of 2018. I am currently in clinical 2 for the spring of 2019, and then we'll be doing my externship over the summer of 2019. But like the financial part, how long it takes you to complete the program is going to vary based on how fast-paced your school's medical assisting program is, how fast you work, and how many classes you want to take at once, as well as you do have to think about prereqs. Thankfully, I didn't have to because they were already done. The next question is, do you have any regrets about choosing to go to school for medical assisting? No, I do not whatsoever. I really like this program. It is definitely a program for me. I am someone who likes to do all sorts of things. I am definitely a hands-on learner, and that is exactly what this program has given me. I love all the different stuff I get to do, because unlike with respiratory therapy, you're only working with the heart, lungs, and kidneys pretty much. But with medical assisting, I work with so much more, and it is so much fun, and I absolutely love it. So no, I do not have a single regret about going to school for medical assisting. The second to last question I will be answering is, are you worried that when you're done school, you may not be able to find a job? And the answer to that is no, I'm not worried whatsoever. And there are a bunch of different reasons behind that. First off, I know that where I live, medical assistants are in high demand for the simple fact that medical assistants get paid less than nurses, but can pretty much do the same exact tasks. So for places like doctor's offices and specialty offices, it is much more convenient to hire medical assistants than it is to hire RNs, because an RN, you have to pay them more. Also for the simple fact that medical assistants can do both the front end office, like I mentioned, as well as the clinical aspect of it. Also, Also, I know that in my program in particular, when we do our externship, there is a 50-50 chance that they will hire us, which is really nice. So no, I am not worried about finding a job. In general, the healthcare field is in high demand for competent workers. And the last question I will be answering is, are you going to quit YouTube when you finish school or get an MA position? As of right now, no, I do not plan on quitting at all. I am hoping to still be able to document my journey after I graduate and get a full-time job as a medical assistant, and then I'll be able to talk more about what I do at work and that kind of stuff, and I'm hoping to not have to quit anytime soon. Obviously, if things get busy, the amount of videos I put out may get less, but my hope is to not have to quit and that I can continue doing this YouTube journey. So those are all the questions I will be answering for today. If you guys like this video and think I should do more Q&As, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you have a question that I didn't answer in this video, leave it in the comments and I will do my best to answer it. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Squad. I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!